Hi, welcome to Crinkles and Sprinkles. Today we're going to learn how to base a cake, base ice with a spatula, and we're going to talk about serving sizes. So you want to plop some icing on the top, which I've already done, and then pretty much you just push it around. This biggest secret to icing a cake, whether you're doing it with an icer tip or a spatula, is to never touch the cake. You just basically want to push that icing around. So you need it to be a nice, smooth consistency without being too thin. And that is, whoops, I'll just take that off. That is a preference thing, so you'll kind of get to know what you like to use. If you buy the buckets of icing, though, it's pretty much already the consistency that you're going to want. And then when you do roses, you can decide if you want it thicker. And if you decide that for basing, if you want it thinner. And you can thin down your icing just by putting it in your mixer and putting a little bit of water in it. Okay, so when you do your sides, you want to get some icing on your spatula. And then just, I don't know how much, well, you can see. I wish I had my other turntable. And then you just put it on the sides and push it. And just don't touch the cake. So when this is a quarter sheet cake, you want to get, for an event like a wedding, or if you have a bunch of people for an office, or you don't, especially if you don't have a lot of cake eaters, then the rule is a quarter sheet is going to serve 24 people, and that is a 2x2 slice. So that means a half a sheet is 48. And a full sheet is going to be 96 servings. Unless you have it filled. And then if you fill it, there's a lot of people that are going to eat more cake than if you don't fill it. And let's say you decide to do 2 cakes. You could do like 2 quarters, and you could do 2 different fillings. And if you do that, you always want to make sure that you have a little bit extra cake, because there's going to be a lot of people that end up going back for seconds because they're going to want to taste both of those fillings. Oops, I got a little bit of... Okay, then we just clean up our sides. And I like to go always towards the middle. And they don't have to be perfect, because you're going to go back and you're going to be decorating it anyway. And any mistakes that you make and anything that you leave, if you have a few crumbs, you can cover all of that with your decorations. And always pull towards the middle. Thanks for watching. I hope you found it informative. And if it helped you out, make sure you give me a thumbs up and a like. And have a great evening and have fun. Bye.